Hello and welcome to Lighthouse Training Videos. This video will show how to set up alarm notifications in the LMS Pro Pharma software. Alarm notification setup is a three-step process. This involves configuring the user account, defining the alarm redirection for the sensor or for the group of sensors, and defining the email or SMS actions. Let's start with the user account. In the database tree, go to tilde configuration, go to users, and in this case we're going to go with Joe Admin. Double click on Joe Admin, and that brings up his properties, and verify that the account is enabled, and also take note in the user group that he's assigned to group administrators. Click on the Contact Information tab, and if it's not already there, fill out the email contact 1 with the email address. If you want to have notifications going to an SMS message for a smartphone, then fill out email contact 2 with the 10-digit phone number of the cell phone and the service provider's text address. The user account is now set up for notifications. Save the changes by clicking on the diskette icon in the upper left-hand side, and then close the properties box by clicking on the black X on the right-hand side. We are now ready to set up the email action. From the database tree, under tilde configuration, go to Alarm Actions and click on the plus sign. Go to Email Actions and click on the plus sign. And go to Email Notification Administrators, click on the plus sign, and then double click on Email. From the Email Action tab, make sure that the Inhibit Action is set to Never. The To is set to the administrators group, and the go to is set for email contact 1. Once this is in place, click on the diskette icon to save the configuration and close the properties box. We're now ready to set up the SMS action. We'll go to the tilde configuration, alarm actions, email actions, and to SMS notification administrators. Click on the plus sign and then double click on email. This will bring up the email properties box. Under the email action tab, make sure that Inhibit Action is set to Never. On To, make sure the proper group is selected. In this case, we're going to be going with administrators. And on Go To, make sure we're set for email contact number 2. Click on the diskette icon in the upper left side to save, and then close the properties box by clicking on the black X on the right hand side. With the email, SMS actions, and user accounts set up, we can assign individual sensors or a group of sensors to the notifications. From the database tree, we'll go to Data, click on the plus sign, go to Locations, click on the plus sign, go to Main Facility, click on the plus sign. Let's go to Building A, click on the plus sign, and let's go to APC number 1. We'll right click on APC number 1 to bring up the options. Go to Properties. Click on the Redirection tab. Make sure that Enable is checked. Go to Trigger Type, set to Auto. Trigger State will be Unacknowledged, Uncleared. Our action will be set to go to the email action we set up earlier. So I have to go to tilde configuration, click on the plus sign, go to Alarm Actions, click on the plus sign, go to Email Actions, click on the plus sign, go to Email Notification Administrators, click on the plus sign, and then click on Email. Click on OK, and that'll accept it. Make sure that our low severity is set to critical and our high severity is set to critical. All the others can be left at default. If you need to add SMS notifications to this, go to the second line, click on Trigger Type, select Auto. Unacknowledged, uncleared is our trigger state. We'll go to our action. Again, we'll go up to our SMS action. So we'll go tilde configuration, click on the plus sign. Alarm Actions, click on the plus sign. Go to Email Actions, click on the plus sign. Go to SMS Notification Administrators, click on the plus sign. Click on Email and say OK. Again, our low severity was set for critical, our high severity is set for critical, and all others are set at default. Save your configuration by clicking on the diskette icon, and then close the Properties window by hitting the small black X. If you want to set up notification for all the sensors within a group, go to the group. In this case, we'll choose Building A. Right-click, bring up the Options menu. Click on Properties. Click on the Redirection tab. Make sure Enable is checked. On the first trigger type, set it to Auto. Trigger state will be unacknowledged, uncleared. Our action will be going up to the Email action, so go to tilde configuration, Alarm Actions, Email Actions, and Email Notifications Administrator. Click on the plus sign, select Email, and tell it OK. Again, make sure that low severity is set for critical and high severity is set for critical. The other options can be left at default. If you need to add SMS messaging to this, go to the second line, click on Trigger Type, set it for Auto. Trigger state will be unacknowledged, uncleared. The action will be set to the SMS notification. So click on the plus sign at tilde configuration. Click on Alarm Actions. Click on Email Actions. Go to SMS Notification Administrators. Click on the plus sign and select Email. Click on OK. Again, low severity is set for critical, high severity is set for critical, and all other options are left on the default. Save your configuration by clicking on the diskette icon, and then close the Properties box. And as you can see, when you get an alarm on the system, the alarm will be generated, and then the notification will be generated, and you'll receive the email message. This concludes the video on setting up alarm notifications. If you have questions over this video or any other Lighthouse product, please visit our website at www.golighthouse.com. Thank you.